Psalm 121. I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from Yahuwah, which hath made heaven and earth. He will not suffer thy foot to be moved. He that keepeth thee will not slumber. Behold, he that keepeth Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep. Yahuwah is thy keeper. Yahuwah is thy shade upon thy right hand. The sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night. Yahuwah shall preserve thee from all evil. He shall preserve thy soul. Yahuwah shall preserve thy going out and thy coming in from this time forth and even forevermore.